Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 9-year-old boy that was found killed with his throat slashed recently. So let's get straight into this story because these 9-year-old and 7-year-old and 8-year-olds dying is a issue to me. It's a real big issue. And it says Janet Sylvia, senior Gleaner writer, Western Bureau. St. James police detectives are probing the murder of a 9-year-old boy who was found with the throat slashed. It was recovered by the police at 5 o'clock this morning. The boy, a student of Berkstead Primary and all age, went missing yesterday at approximately noon. According to reports, the boy left home to visit a man. The Gleaner couldn't immediately assert further details. This incident comes days after 9-year-old twin boy Brandon and Braden Jones were swept away in flood waters. And then it says, the update, a second suspect in custody in the 9-year-old St. James boy's murder. And it says a female, has become the second suspect linked to yesterday's murder of 9-year-old Romaine Robinson, who was found stabbed to death in Plantation Heights in Cambridge, St. James. Earlier today, the police reported that a 14-year-old Cambridge High School male student, confessed to the killing. The teenage boy who reportedly committed the murder was arrested by the St. James police this morning. It is reported that the teen, who also resides in Plantation Heights, fought with the 9-year-old boy before killing him. The police say arrangements are being made for the teen to be questioned in the presence of his parents and attorneys. Romaine and Robinson are 9th 3 students at the Berkstead Primary School, was found by citizens who stumbled upon his bloodied body about 4:30 yesterday morning. So, what can a 9-year-old do to a high school student? And in Jamaica, we start high school at about 7th grade. Honestly, I feel like there is definitely more to this story. I feel like this boy actually did something to that 9-year-old boy, probably raped him, and the 9-year-old boy made up his mind that he is going to tell, and because he did not want him to tell, he actually killed that boy. I honestly, that is the only, like, something in a something, because it just can't be just that. It can't be just like one petty argument over one girl, or like, me don't know what to say, honestly. And then there's a girl also involved. Like a girl. This is something that we as older Jamaicans need to really look at, how our children are being raised these days. Where are our old school values? Where are the old school teachings? I guess because so many young people are having kids nowadays, it's like our morals and values are not being implemented into our children. Like, where does a 14-year-old get the courage and power and mentality to actually take a knife, slash someone's throat, and kill them, stab them up to death? Where does that come from? Because children, a lot of them, don't have a bad bone in their body. It's all about the environment that they were born in and the people that are around them in that environment, the people that are nurturing them, whether their parents, grandparents, or any of the above, or any of the others. So what is going on? This is truly, truly sad. A 9-year-old, and this is, I think, like the fifth 8 to 9 year old that I've done videos on recently that have died from alleged suicide, which I don't believe, to being murdered. Like, something is going on with our kids, especially with COVID and not being able to go to school and stuff, and they're just stuck at home being bored with nothing to do. I feel like their mental health is at big risk. Our children are not used to being stuck at home with parents 24/7 and not being able to interact with their family, with other family members or their classmates or their peer group, are doing school activities, whether that be sports or activities in general. So please watch your children, especially if they're doing online schooling and they're not being able to interact with their peer group. Watch them, help them, try doing fun things with them, because this is going to be a real big issue. And I honestly feel like there's more to this story. And I'm going to follow this story. And once they give an update to all the information, I will update you guys on exactly what happened. Because I don't feel like I just want petty argument cause this. This is way deeper. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Condolence goes out to the family and all the families that have lost 8 and 9-year-olds during this month and in the previous month, because I feel like I reported on one 8 to 9-year-old dying last month. Actually, almost every single, allegedly, or it's from murder or something. These kids are dying and something needs to be done. We can't just sit down around like how what happened to the woman last year, and that was continuing until COVID hit, that their spouses were killing them at a rapid rate. Okay, so we can't allow this to happen to our kids, who are going to be the future doctors, lawyers, and leaders of our country if all of them did out. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.